Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in this video we are going to look at another arrays question which is called decompress run length encoded list. Now this question is quite different from what we had seen earlier because in the earlier questions we had already the size of our result array, but in this question we need to find that size based on the number given to based on the array given to us in the question. Okay, now it seems a little hard, but it is not. So let's get to the explanation directly, and I will explain the question just by explaining this example. So what we have here is we have a nums array, okay, and this array, it is given in pairs. Okay, we have pairs. In these pairs we have two values. The first value is our frequency, I'm sorry, and the second value is our value. Now what they mean by this is the value, the v element, it will repeat itself f number of times. That is, let's say we have v is equal to, that val is equal to 2, so 2 will be repeated f number of times, that is 1 number of times. Here also we have frequency val. Now this val is 4, so 4 will repeat f number of times, that is 3 number of times, 4, 4 and 4. Okay, now looking at this, it is one thing we can assume that we can solve one thing, that the length of our result, this is going to come from the total of all the f's that we have, the frequencies that we have. So what we'll do is we will iterate through this array, okay, and we will add whatever frequency that we give, what we get in our variable size. Okay, so here it is 1 plus 3, that is equals to 4. Okay, and later on, after creating this array, we will simply start our loop from 2 and repeat, like add this 2 to our result array f number of times. How will we do that? Let's see in the code, it will be much easier. Okay, so here the first thing that we want to find is our size. Okay, so for that we will start with our for loop. I'm sorry, I equals 0, I less than nums dot size, and I will jump 2 places, not 1, 2 places, because we only want to access the positions where frequency is given. Okay, and now we will just add our frequency to the size. Now we've got our size, so we'll create our array, we'll name it result, its size going to be size. Step 1 is done, we've got our result array. Now step 2 is add elements to our result array. For this, what we'll do is we'll start with position 1, we'll go till the size of our array, and we'll again jump 2 places to access the positions that have value in it. Okay, now we need to repeat this value in our result array frequency number of times. Now what is frequency? The value at index just before this val index. Okay, so frequency is nothing but nums of I. In this for loop, nums of I is value, so we'll do nums of I minus 1 to access our frequency. Now what we'll do is we'll go here like frequency greater than, while frequency is greater than 0, at our result index we will assign nums of I. We will do index plus plus, and don't forget to reduce your frequency, otherwise it will go into infinite loop. Okay, now we don't have this index variable with us as of now, so we'll create it outside our for loop, because if we create it inside, then every time the loop runs, the value will get overwritten, and we don't want that to happen. Okay, so after this we will simply return our resulting array. Okay, so let's submit this. Great. We are good with this, and we'll try to do more such interesting questions in the future. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one, and before that, do suggest me if you have any other queries or questions or any other problem that you want me to solve from any other platform. Okay, and I will try to create another playlist for that. Okay, as of now I'll be focusing only on LeetCode, and in LeetCode I will be focusing on Java and C++ languages. Okay, if you want me to do on another platform such as Codeforces, Coding Ninjas, we have a lot of platforms these days, right? So let me know. Okay, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.